Welcome to Julia Outfit. Today we're exploring timeless spring style for men over 50. This video shows 20 outfits that prioritize fit, comfort, and refinement so you look confident regardless of fleeting trends. Each look proves great style is about proportion, quality, and small details. Linen shirt plus lightweight chinos. A crisp linen shirt tucked into tailored light chinos gives effortless breathability and polish. It flatters mature proportions, keeps you cool, and reads casually refined for warm spring afternoons. Soft shoulder blazer plus white tee plus dark jeans. A soft shoulder blazer layered over a clean white tee and dark jeans creates smart ease. The relaxed structure flatters older shoulders and balances formality with weekend comfort perfectly. Navy bomber jacket plus gray knit plus slim trousers. A minimal navy bomber paired with a fine gray knit and slim trousers looks modern without trying too hard. The silhouette is balanced, practical, and quietly masculine for transitional weather. Light trench coat plus polo plus dress pants. A knee-length trench over a neat polo and wool blend dress pants reads elegant and practical. Water-resistant and tailored, this ensemble is ideal for rainy spring days that still demand dignity. Chambray shirt plus khakis plus brown loafers. A chambray shirt with well-fitted khakis and brown loafers delivers classic, approachable style. The denim-like texture gives character, while loafers maintain polished ease for daytime outings. Soft cardigan plus button-down plus corduroy pants. A thin, soft cardigan layered over a button-down with tapered corduroy pants adds texture and warmth. It's effortless, age-appropriate layering that feels like a comfortable, cultivated second skin. Lightweight crewneck plus tailored joggers plus clean sneakers. A high-quality crewneck sweater, tailored joggers, and clean sneakers balance youthfulness with maturity. The tailored joggers keep proportions smart, making the look suitable for errands or coffee dates. Breton striped shirt plus olive chinos plus desert boots. A Breton striped shirt paired with olive chinos and desert boots channels French casual sophistication. The stripes add personality while the neutral palette keeps things mature and wearable all spring. Gray suit, unstructured, plus polo shirt. An unstructured gray suit worn with a polo instead of a dress shirt modernizes tailoring while staying comfortable. Soft shoulders and breathable fabric make it perfect for formal casual spring events. Lightweight sweater over collared shirt plus dark chinos. Layer a thin sweater over a collared shirt with dark chinos for understated refinement. This timeless combo cleans up the face and gives structure without appearing fussy. Field jacket plus Henley plus straight jeans. A classic field jacket, a textured Henley, and straight-leg jeans create masculine, lived-in charm. Functional pockets and rugged fabrics are flattering and practical for everyday spring wear. Pastel polo plus linen blend trousers plus driving shoes. A soft pastel polo with linen blend trousers and driving shoes brings spring colors in a subtle, sophisticated way. It's tasteful, seasonally appropriate, and flattering for mature skin tones. Lightweight knit blazer plus trousers plus Chelsea boots. A knit blazer provides comfort and drape, paired with clean trousers and Chelsea boots for elevated casual. The knit keeps movement easy while the boots add quiet authority. utility shirt jacket plus cotton shorts plus loafers, warm spring day. On warmer days, a lightweight utility shirt jacket over a tee with smart cotton shorts and loafers looks intentional, not juvenile. Proportions should be tidy, keeping the outfit mature and neat. Tweed sport coat plus turtleneck plus wool trousers. A modern tweed sport coat with a fine turtleneck and wool trousers offers texture and warmth for cool spring mornings. Earthy tones convey sophistication and suit older complexions beautifully. Lightweight rain shell plus performance polo plus dark jeans. A minimalist rain shell over a performance polo and dark jeans keeps you dry and stylish. Function meets form here, technical fabrics that look intentional rather than technical. Denim jacket plus Oxford shirt plus chinos. A well-fitted denim jacket layered over an Oxford shirt with chinos creates classic casual energy. Choose a darker wash and tailored fit to maintain a grown-up, polished vibe. Seersucker blazer plus crisp white shirt plus slim trousers. A light seersucker blazer with a crisp white shirt and slim trousers feels spring perfect for garden gatherings and daytime events. The texture breathes, while the tailoring keeps the look dignified. Lightweight overcoat plus scarf plus tailored jeans. A lightweight, single-breasted overcoat paired with a refined scarf and tailored jeans creates elegant layering. Small accessories like a refined scarf elevate the outfit without relying on trends. Monochrome neutrals, beige sweater plus sand trousers plus suede shoes. A monochrome neutral outfit in beige and sand feels modern, cohesive, and forgiving. Monochrome simplifies dressing and creates a long, flattering vertical line for mature silhouettes.